Many times in life we are stuck. We stuck in our comfort zone. And as a result we did not grow. For growth in life, two things are important. One is continuous learning and second is taking risks. If we explore why people are more successful than others, one of the success factors is continuous learning. Some people are street smart, others are book smart. Street smart people learn by experience or by observing others, while book smart people learn books and implement those ideas into their lives. Both can be successful or failure based on their efforts and attitude. They can be successful due to their focus on their goals and improvement. Learning is very important. Problem with learning new things, you have to spend time. And after 2 or 3 days, you lost momentum. Learning new things requires a lot of effort. We have to force ourselves to continue. Learning new things is a change and our mind and body are both resistant to change. Your heart did not want to learn or the topic or things you are learning are difficult. And most importantly, after a couple of days, you lose motivation and lose your focus on why you start learning and what is beneficial and possible. You will not get what you want to achieve. Here are a few tips, which I applied in my life to commit to lifelong learning. Clear your why. You need to clarify why you need to study something. What are its advantages? And what are your disadvantages? Where you want to reach. For example, if I want to learn accounting, my purpose is to understand client requirements and also show my boss what the figures are. Or I have to verify things delivered by my subordinates. You need to build a strong why. That will help you when you lose motivation. Why do you start? Do small things but do them every day. Most of the time we are busy with our day-to-day work. Office work, home work, friends time. It's also important to give time to your family. In this way possible you got challenged to manage your time. For this you have to set smart goals. For example, on the weekend you can spend 4 hours. But on every day you can study or learn for 30 to 1 hour to study or learn. You should understand how much minimum you can study to continue. Do it regularly. For example, if you start to read book, which has 360 pages, you can complete a book within 1 year, if you read 1 page daily. Do small but do it daily. Schedule your time. Successful people achieve things with discipline. Discipline means you have to do things every day without focusing on the end result. They just focus on one step at a time. This is a step that they have to take no matter what happens. These small steps one day lead them to their destination. For this you have to schedule your time. For example, before going to bed, you have to read or study at least 1 hour daily. Or one of my friends who is running a successful blog. He awake early 5 a.m. every morning. He spent daily writing 1 hour then before moving to office. Build a habit. Making a habit. It is said making habits is tough. But one thing is important. If you do something for more than 21 days, it becomes part of your life. So force yourself until resistance is over. Write journal. One of my favorites and applicable to me. Write a journal. Or when you come back to the office and open your diary or digital notes. And make daily goals. I made a 1-pager. Where do I start and what are my long-term goals? Then what are my 5-year goals? And then 1 year's goals. And how your current 3 months goals are. And where does your study fit in? Read it. Modify it. Add and remove things. Complete what you already achieved. This will help you stay motivated. Celebrate every success. Small milestones are always good. It gives us little hope. We covered some distance. So you have small goals. For example, cover 1 chapter in 1 week. Complete quiz within less time. Complete chapter in 3 days. Spent quality time with study. When you achieve any goal, it gives you happiness. Celebrate it. So my friends, if you want to become successful in life, you have to learn new things. Learning new things requires time and energy. You have to clarify why you want to. What are advantages and what are disadvantages? Set small goals. Do small steps but do it daily and start from today. Discipline your life and make learning your part of life. And celebrate every step. Thanks for reading or watching my video. See you in the next video.